Hey there everybody, and welcome back to HealthWell. Today we will be discussing probiotics and the health benefits that they can provide us with. Probiotics are live yeasts and bacteria that live in our digestive system and can be found in foods and supplements. The balance or imbalance of bacteria in your gut will affect your health, and this will either lower your risk of developing certain diseases or raise your risk of developing them. Because of this, we should try to consume probiotics as part of a healthy, balanced diet. We're going to talk to you about different health benefits that can come from probiotic consumption and discuss what foods are high in probiotics. Here are 9 health benefits of probiotics. Number 1. Prevent and treat diarrhea. Probiotics are well known for reducing the severity of and preventing diarrhea. Sometimes when you are on antibiotics, you may experience diarrhea. It is thought that probiotics can help in preventing this kind of diarrhea and ease the symptoms you may suffer from. As well as this, it has been found that probiotics can reduce the amount of time that you suffer from infectious diarrhea. It has actually been found to cut down symptoms by a whole day, which is quite amazing when you think about it. Probiotics are even thought to reduce the risk of developing traveler's diarrhea. Of course, all this effectiveness depends on the type and the dose of probiotics taken. Number 2. Lower cholesterol. Studies have found that eating foods that contain the probiotic bacteria lactobacillus could significantly reduce levels of bad cholesterol and overall cholesterol in the body. There are a few possible ways that probiotics can lower cholesterol. Firstly, probiotics can bind with cholesterol in the intestines and stop them from getting absorbed. Probiotics can also help to break down bile, which is mostly made of cholesterol, and this can also help with the digestion process in your body. Also, some probiotics can make short-chain fatty acids that stop cholesterol from being formed in the liver. Number 3. Reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that probiotics might help to reduce inflammation that is found in the body. This could benefit people who suffer from inflammatory diseases. On the one hand, inflammation in the body can be good because it helps our bodies to fight off infection. On the other hand, having high levels of inflammation can cause pain and swelling and lead to conditions like ulcerative colitis and chronic fatigue syndrome. So, if probiotics can help to ease inflammation in the body, then that's likely quite beneficial to our health. Number 4. Lowers blood pressure. Probiotics could help to lower your blood pressure, especially if your blood pressure is excessively high. Studies have shown that people who consume probiotics could have low systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to people who are not consuming the same number of probiotics. There still needs to be more research carried out so that we can better understand the link between blood pressure and probiotics. But what is clear is that a healthy, balanced diet will help to lower blood pressure, and probiotics should be included as part of this diet. Number 5. Improve mental health conditions. There have been several studies carried out on both humans and animals that show that probiotics can improve mental health. They have shown that probiotics can improve depression, anxiety, autism, memory, and obsessive-compulsive disorder, or OCD. It has been found that probiotic supplements can reduce levels of C-reactive protein, and this in turn can reduce inflammation in our bodies. It is believed that inflammation in the brain could be associated with mental health issues like depression, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. So, if probiotics can help to reduce inflammation, this can have a positive effect on our mental health and may make us less at risk of developing mental health conditions. Number 6. Reduce symptoms of digestive disorders. There have been studies carried out that have shown that probiotics can reduce the symptoms of those with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. This could be due to the fact that probiotics help to reduce inflammation in the body. It has also been shown by some studies that probiotics can reduce the risk of a fatal bowel condition in premature babies. This condition is called necrotizing enterocolitis. It is thought that probiotic consumption could reduce the risk of suffering severely from this condition by up to 50%, which is quite an amazing statistic. Number 7. Boosts the immune system. Probiotics can prevent bad gut bacteria from growing in your body and give a boost to your immune system. It is also thought that probiotics can promote the growth of natural antibodies and boost immune cells like T lymphocytes and natural killer cells. This means that your body is being protected well against infection and your immune system is being strengthened. There have been studies carried out that have found that probiotics can help reduce the risk and severity of some respiratory infections and urinary tract infections in women. The fact that probiotics are being linked to reduced infection rates shows that probiotics are helping the immune system to function effectively. Number 8. Reduce eczema and allergies. Some probiotics can reduce the symptoms of eczema in children and infants. This could be down to probiotics' ability to reduce inflammation in the body, which we have discussed earlier. It has actually been discovered that women who take probiotics during pregnancy could be helping to lower the risk of their children developing eczema. This shows how important it is for pregnant women to eat a healthy and nutritious diet, as what they eat directly affects their unborn child. It is also thought that probiotics may be able to reduce inflammatory responses in people with milk or dairy allergies. Though there appears to be some kind of a link between allergies and probiotics, further research needs to be carried out to confirm the accurateness of these studies. Number 9. Help to reduce weight. Probiotics are thought to help with weight loss and reduce the amount of fat being stored around the stomach area. Some probiotics can prevent dietary fat from absorbing in our intestine. Rather than being stored in the body, it is excreted through feces, which can help people to lose weight, rather than storing fat in places like the stomach. It is also believed that probiotics can help us to feel full for longer, and therefore this can prevent us from snacking on food more often, as we won't feel as hungry. However, while some probiotics, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus, can help us lose weight, other probiotics can make us put on more weight. For example, Lactobacillus acidophilus. So it appears that more research needs to be done in order to work out how exactly our weight is affected by taking probiotic supplements, and whether this link is mainly positive, negative, or a mixture of both. Let's now talk about the signs of an unhealthy gut. If you have an unhealthy gut, then you would benefit from introducing probiotics into your diet. An unhealthy gut could mean that you may experience weight changes, which can include weight loss and weight gain. You may have a recurring upset stomach or frequently experience constipation, feelings of heartburn, and bloating. An unhealthy gut may lead to sleep problems and fatigue. You could also be experiencing skin irritation, and most seriously, an unhealthy gut is thought to lead to autoimmune conditions. Now let's talk about how you can get a healthy dose of probiotics into your system. As we mentioned earlier, to get probiotics into our body, we must either take supplements or eat fermented foods. Fermented foods have been through a process of lactofermentation. This process involves natural bacteria feeding on the sugar and starch in food, which creates lactic acid. This creates an environment that promotes good bacteria, as well as omega-3, B vitamins, and other healthy nutrients. Most fermented foods contain probiotics, but you should be made aware that not all of them do. Examples of fermented foods containing probiotics include yogurts, pickles, some cheeses, miso, sourdough bread, and kombuchas. There are also many products available in supermarkets that contain probiotics and claim to be good for your gut health. These are usually in the form of yogurts and dairy products. These are incredibly easy to introduce into your diet, as they are quick snacks, and they are worth it because they could help to keep you and your body healthy. We hope this video has explained to you the importance of probiotics and how beneficial they can be to our health. Probiotics are extremely easy to introduce into your diet, and if that doesn't work for you, then you also have the option of taking supplements. Probiotics can maintain gut health, benefit different areas of your body, including 2 of your major organs, your brain and your heart. By including probiotics as part of a healthy, balanced diet and getting regular exercise, you can keep your whole body healthy and at less risk of developing health conditions. Were you surprised by any of the health benefits of probiotics that we have talked about? Has this video inspired you to start taking probiotic supplements or introduce more probiotic foods into your diet? Share your answers and thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will not miss out on any of our videos on health, wellness, and much more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.